this is the first problem. So then I start with the formulas. So then sine of A over A equals sine of B over B, and that equals sine C over C. And then these are also, you could also flip it and do A over sine of A, but that works for all of them. I'm not writing that out. And then, so this is the first problem. First thing I like to do is if you have 2 degrees, and then we know triangle adds up to 180. So you do 72 plus 63, 135, big numbers. Then, so in the sense of all it adds up to 180, so 180 minus 135, quick math, 5, 4, so 45 degrees. 30, that's ugly 5. That's 45 degrees. Alright, so next, we have 4, so we already have this side done. So then you go squat. Okay, so sine, or do you do 4 on top? I think I like 4 on top better. Yeah, 4 over sine of 63. Since we have both angles, it really doesn't matter, we can just choose little a, little c. So then we can do, let's do A. So, I don't know, over here, I don't like that over there. A over sine of 72 equals 4 over sine of 63. So then multiply this, so it's sine 72 over 1, so sine of 72 times 4. So yeah, let's rewrite that a little bit better. Times 4 over sine of 63. Wait, plugging in a good old calculator.
You gotta see it, he said.
Do you?
Yes.
So sine 72, if you close those parentheses, times 4, and that equals 3.8. But then you have to divide that by the sine of 63, and boom. So then that was for A, so it's a rounded number, so it's not exact. So the nearest tenth, 4.26, so we're gonna round that up, 4.3, money. So we have that and that, and this and this. Now all we need is little c. So little c over sine of 45 equals, let's use the same one, 4 over sine of 63. And the same thing, so sine of 45. It cancels out. So yeah, quick math. Okay. Sine of 45 times 4 equals that. You divide that by the sine of 63. Close those parentheses. 3.1 or 3.2 with the squiggles. 3.2. So that is a finished triangle right there. Alright, back with the answers, of course. It's a little messy. So, you know, come up here. So we found, gosh, what did we find? Oh, so we needed little a, side C, and angle C. And angle C. So summing them up, technically these are all, you know, a little rounded. So side of angle C, 3.2, A, 4.3, and totally is crazy. And then angle C, 45 degrees. Sum that all up. Yeah. Okay, so to start any problem, this is a problem, looks good. To start, you go all of this with the formulas. So big A over sine of A, and then it equals B over sine of B, and then equals C over sine of C. Yes, money. Okay. So we have the same size here. Oh, I did not put the A's.
Okay, so now make sure the A's are the same as the sine of A. Like these are the angles here. Okay, so if you're gonna put A, that's gonna be little a. Because you did sine of little a. Not a big deal. This is gonna be sine. This is little b. There's a little b right here. and this little C. Doesn't really matter. So this is big C, big B, who's across from B, and big A over there. Yeah.
Okay, with that rude interruption. Next,
No.
so we have the same side here, so we're gonna go. So we have sine of B and B. God, I'm blanking. Okay. Yes. So we have sine 58 and B, which is 3, and then we can figure out A. So then we have 4. So then sine of A. So we get this over here. Multiply across. It's gone. It's okay. So then come to the calculator. Yes, turn it on. So sine 58 times 4. Oh, we did not close the parentheses. Gosh. 58 times 4. I did this wrong, didn't I?
No, that's fine. Keep going.
Divided by
That's
3.
the top. Divided by 3.
And then the
What did we do?
times the negative.
What did we do
1.
wrong?
So here's one thing about this.
We blanked. We blanked heavy.
Not necessarily. So like, sine of A shouldn't be bigger than 1. That's really like a truth. Okay, so because no matter what, like the number's going to be divided by a hypotenuse, right? It's okay to kill if you want to.
It's spending time.
It's fine. Doesn't matter. So what happened is, like we divided by 3 here. This number's probably not big enough for this to be a triangle. If this number's really small, like it's gonna make it where a situation where our pieces wouldn't connect. Okay, so like make this number like maybe 7.
He was sitting there waiting
this
on your
7.
downfall. Wait, that's my number.
7. That should work.
Okay.
Now run that again. Just the same thing. Just same time. What do you type?
Go ahead.
We did not close the parentheses. Times 4.
Divided by 7.
Divided by 7.
I know that is sine of A. So now you do the
Yes.
inverse sine
Inverse.
of that.
Oh boy. So then
Second
second
sine.
sign.
Second.
Second answer.
Close
Close the
it.
parentheses. Boom.
That's our angle A.
28.
Put a decimal there.
29. That's 0.9. We can round that to 29.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
so put 29.0 because you rounded. So now we have 2 of the angles.
Yes. So then that, all triangles add up to 180. We go 29 plus 58. That equals 87. So 180 minus 87. Man, he's pretty loud over there. So the angle C, 93 degrees.
Well done.
Beautiful.
All right.
Now we just need side C.
Tell him how that's supposed to be the biggest. Nothing. Just keep
The
going.
biggest angle here.
Biggest
So
angle.
what should we expect from side C?
Be the
Biggest
biggest.
number.
Could be the biggest of the
number.
3, right? We got 7 and 4. So be in the neighborhood of 7, 8 or 9 maybe. At the most, yeah. There you go.
C. Huh?
You're
Here,
covering
I'm
up.
your way.
You can move. You
Well,
can move.
Coach Ho was helping you.
Sine 93 equals the same one. Sine. Oh no.
We just fold it over, right? Good.
Yes. 4. Wait. 7. Gosh, I'm blanking. Okay.
It's okay.
Restart.
That's fine.
So 7 over sine of 58.
Yeah.
So we multiply that over here. So sine of 93 times 7. That's gone. Sine 93 times 7 equals that. And then we divide that by the sine of 58. Sine 58. 8.2. We rounded, so 8.2. And that is a finished triangle, my friends. But then we will have a nice little answer box, sum it up. So we needed angle C, angle A, and side C. And that equals. We also rounded angle A, 29 degrees. Angle C, 93 degrees, and side C was 8.2 meters. Don't forget this. Don't forget this.
So, like in sum, you already did.
Go.
Okay, to sum it all up. So we started off with 7 and 58 degrees, so B and B. Then we're given the side A, 4 meters. We use that to figure out what the angle of A would be. And then to do that, come down here. So sine of A over 4, and then equals sine 58 over 7. So then to get the sine A alone, you times it by 4, you get it over here, the numerator. So sine of 58 times 4, and that gave us whatever. Then you divide it by 7 to get 29 degrees.
Yeah. They gave us the inverse sine, or sine of A, right? Equals something blah, blah, blah. Then we took the inverse sine, right?
Yes.
So angle A equals the inverse sine of blah, 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 whatever that number was. That gave us the angle 29 degrees. Keep going. You're doing great.
Okay. So then we just needed side C, because then we'll to get 93, actually first. So 58 plus 29 equals about 87 is what it was. And then 180 minus 87 gave us the 93.
Good.
So we had that. So then you come over here to find the side C. So C over the sine of 93 that we just got equals 7 over 58.
So, yeah.
And then you multiply the sine of 93 over, and that equals that. Sine of 93 times 7 over 58 give us 8.2. And then finish triangle.
That's all.